Happy Market Monday. Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage, market fluently. So unfortunately, we were right in terms of last week. So the Feds came out and made two announcements specific to bonds, specific to prime and future interest rates on short-term money. Monday, so for additional knowledge, unfortunately we were right. We were right? Like that was the huge meteoric swing, and then obviously we saw a little bit of recapture on Friday. We're seeing recapture today. If you want additional language, we talked a lot about in the warning on Monday, and then we did the alert on Tuesday letting you know, oh my goodness, yeah, this is happening. What else? Manufacturing went way up, higher than expectation. The only thing truly holding them back at this point, because the economy is racing, is just a lack of workers, which we know, all-time historic. Week to come. All right. Friday is where I'd be paying attention to in terms of reports, unemployment and non-farm payroll. Those are big movers sometimes in market. Really, I think what we're going to see over the next day or two is the testing of the ceiling, right? We talk about floors and ceilings. We hit a floor and we've come up aggressively at that, off of it. In my humble opinion, though, what we're going to see today and tomorrow is a testing of that new artificial ceiling, right? We should be bouncing down, in my opinion, and getting worse either later today or tomorrow, personal opinion. But this will tell us, is it going to get significantly better? We're going to bust through that ceiling, or are we going to bounce off like we typically do? So my opinion, I think we're going to see that little bit of double dip. We're going to go down. We could even slide to worst position, okay? Midterm. So short term for you, right? Float. We're regaining, it's getting better. Float, but be super close to put your finger on that lock button, okay? Realtors, take advantage. Like here's your chance if someone lost out last week and couldn't afford a property because they lost that $10, $15, $20,000. We pulled the pig trigger today. Long term, unknown. Truly the wild card, we've been talking on this for a while, is COVID 2.0 lockdown, right? If we shut down the entire economy again, I hope we don't, that's the wild card. And that's what everybody's talking to. Hey, if we see that, of course, we're going to see all-time historic lows farther than that. But that's a maybe, right? So we play in life today. We play in what's before us. We play in what's for sure. So for sure today is rates are getting a little better. We've lost almost 3/8 at one point from last week. Recaptured if you need it real close, but be close to pull the trigger. All right, guys. Hope you have an amazing week. Hope you bless someone else. Take advantage of this market because it is volatile, but lots to be made. Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, but most of all, win in the market.